Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. Here we have a system of equations. In the system of equations above, k is a constant. If the system has 2 points of intersection and the distance between these 2 points is 10, what is the value of k? Okay, the question says the graphs of the two equations intersect in 2 points. Okay, to find the 2 points of intersection, we have to solve the given system. For that, let me write y equals to y. For the y on the left side, let me consider the stuff in the first equation, that is x negative 5 the whole square. And for the y on the right side, let's consider the stuff in the second equation, that is k. Okay, now to solve for x in this equation, we have to get rid of the exponent 2 over here. For that, we have to take square root on both sides of this equation. Okay, now let me do it. That is x negative 5 the whole square. Let me take square root on the left side. On the right side also we have to take square root, then we get square root of k. Okay, here the square root and square will cancel out. Whenever we take square root on both sides of an equation, for the square root we have over here, we have to consider positive or negative sign. Then we get x negative 5 equals to positive or negative square root of k. And now we can add 5 to both sides. When I add 5 to both sides, this negative 5, positive 5 will cancel out. I am getting x equals to 5 positive or negative square root of k. Now we can split up this one into two parts. That is, one part is for negative sign over here and the other part is for positive sign over here. In that case, I'll be getting two values for x. So that is, I'm getting x equals to 5 negative square root of k. The other value is x equals to 5 positive square root of k. When I solve the given system for x, I'm getting two values for x. Already we have the value of y, that is y equals to k. Now we can write the 2 points of intersection of the graphs of the two equations. Okay, the first point is 5 negative square root of k, comma, the y value is k. Actually, the y value, y coordinate is same for both the points. Okay, now let me write the second point of intersection. That is, the x coordinate is 5 positive square root of k, and the y coordinate is the same, that is k. Okay, and the question says the distance between the 2 points of intersection is 10. Okay, here let me consider that information. That is, the distance between the 2 points of intersection is 10. Okay, whenever we have 2 points, there is a formula to get the distance. That is equals to x2 negative x1 the whole square positive y2 negative y1 the whole square equals to 10. Okay, here we can consider the first point over here as x1 y1 and the second point over here as x2 y2. Okay, here the value of x2 is a 5 positive square root of k, that we can plug in for x2 over here. Then I'm getting square root of for x2 we have 5 positive square root of k negative. The value of x1 is 5 negative square root of k, 5 negative square root of k. For this complete stuff x2 negative x1, we have to square positive. The value of y2 is k over here, that is k negative. The value of y1 is also the same k negative k the whole square equals to 10. Okay, here square root of 5 positive square root of k, that is, we can remove the parenthesis over here. We can distribute this negative sign to this 5 and the negative square root of k, then we get negative 5 positive square root of k the whole square positive. So here k negative k is 0, 0 the whole square is 0 equals to 10. Okay, here positive 5 negative 5 will cancel out. I'm getting square root of, when I combine this positive square root of k, positive square root of k, I'm getting 2 times square root of k the whole square equals to 10. Okay, here the square root and square can be cancelled. We get 2 times the square root of k equals to 10. Okay, let me divide both sides of this equation by 2. Then this 2 will cancel out. Square root of k equals to 10 divided by 2 is 5. Now to get rid of the square we have over here, let's square both sides of this equation. Then the square root and square will cancel. I'm getting k on the left side. The value of 5 square is 25. Okay, here I got the value of the constant k. It is 25. We find this 25 in answer choice B. The correct answer choice for this question is B.